Hi, this is Alex with WhereSafe App Tutorial. In this one, we're going to show you how to set up a speeding notification. Starting on the home screen, click on the menu in the top left corner and go to Alert Settings. This screen will show you all the existing alerts you have set up. To set up a new one, click the plus button in the top right corner. From the list of alerts you can set up, click on Speeding. First, select the speed for the alert. In this example, we're going to use 100 kilometers per hour. This will also be in miles per hour based on your user settings. Speeding for allows you to select a duration that the vehicle needs to maintain the speed for before an alert is sent. This avoids getting an alert when a vehicle is simply getting up to speed to merge onto a highway, for example, and then drops back down afterwards. We're going to set this for 2 minutes. So this alert will be triggered when the vehicle reaches 100 kilometers an hour for 2 minutes. You have the option of selecting all the vehicles on your account or specific vehicles. For this example, I'm going to pick both Alex and Dan. Next is the time. If you want it to be 24 hours a day, just leave this default or select your preferred time frame. You have control over which days of the week the alert is delivered. For Monday to Friday, simply select those days, or for 7 days a week, include the weekends. Last, you choose whether you want to receive it by email, or if your account has text activated, text notifications. When you're done, click the save icon in the top right corner. Click Confirm, and your speeding alert is saved. Once it goes back out into the alert settings, you can scroll to the bottom here and see your new speeding notification set up. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out more of our tutorial videos.